Okay, so basically with this car, all factory, AC. Start the car just like any other cars. Turn the key, start it right up. Got your standard AM radio, factory from a long time ago. As you can see, all the gauges are working fine. I'm not sure if the clock works, but I know all the rest of the gauges work just fine. We'll keep an eye on it and see what it does. Standard automatic transmission. It's got low and drive. There's no 2, so it's only 2-speed transmission. Standard seat belts, standard steering wheel. The AC is installed and hooked up, but it's not charged. Other than that, everything works fine. Drives great. Power steering, power brakes. Drives just like it did when it was factory. It came from the factory. Car's pretty much stock. Motor. Got plenty of get up and go. Got good power. Right down the road straight.